Good morning, students. This is teacher Mini. Hope you all are doing well. Today we will be discussing about a new unit. Unit 17, bearing. It's a very interesting topic. Okay, in this lesson, after finishing, you will find forward and backward bearing. This is our objective. Bearings are used describing the direction. Okay, it is always clockwise direction from the north. If you are traveling from a point P in the direction shown by the arrow, it is you have to go clockwise direction. Okay, in mathematics, bearing is an angle degree measured clockwise from the north. Bearing are usually given as a three-figure bearing. Okay, for example, 30 degree clockwise. So from the north is usually written as 030. Okay, you can add one number backside if there is two-digit number. Okay, so normally, this is north, east, south, west, in between northeast, southeast, southwest and north west. Okay, so you can see the angles 0 and 360 is the first one, 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270, 115, sorry 315 and 360. The direction to the compass. If you know that compass, when you are moving the compass is giving the direction and this the angles. Bearings are measured in the direction taken from the north. If you are traveling north, you would be traveling on the bearing of 000, that means 3-digit number. And it is 75, you can write here 075. This is the point of direction. So you are starting at the point P and going this direction. Okay, so the north is there, and from the north to the P, that is 75. So we are writing as a 3-digit 075. Bearing is always measured clockwise. Clockwise means the right way. When starting on the point and to the right side we are moving, that's we call clockwise. Okay. Suppose two people stands at a point A and B respectively, and N represent the direction of north. That means the blue angle of bearing of B from A. In this bearing, very important, we have to check from where, which number, from A. So you have to check that word from A. From A means you have to start from A, the line A, the point A, little up and make a clockwise line. So you will reach the line in between A and B. And the orange angle is the bearing of A from B. I repeat here, from B, that is very important, the word. So you have to go to the B point, and the north line is also there. From that one you have to make a down line because clockwise. We can touch in another way very easily, but it is not clockwise, it is anti-clockwise. So don't take anti-clockwise. So go to the and right part and touch the line. Okay, add or subtract 180 from forward bearing to get the backward bearing. Always your answers in between 0 to 360. Okay, so if you want to go forward bearing, it is less than 180, add 180. It is greater than 180, you have to subtract 180. Okay, so we will discuss these things more about with the examples. After the examples, you will feel more easy. Okay, so use protractor to find the size of the marked angles. Angles are given already because you can't measure this like that. 30, 45 and 110. Okay, so what is the bearing from here? The point. It is inside angle is there, so it is marked there. So bearing is 30. 30, how we can write? 3, 0 is there, but you have to write the 0 back side. Again, like 45. Okay, so tell me. 0, 4, 5. Okay, very good. Next one 110, because it's a 3-digit number, no need to add 0 behind it. Okay, so we have to start some examples. Find the bearing from B to A. Okay, this is the direction A and B is there, and the straight line connection with A and B, a line you can see there, and the angle A is 61. You have to find the bearing from B. So, okay, go to B. From that one, you can make a big clockwise direction to touch the line AB. Okay, so how you can find the bearing? Only one angle is given. Okay, this part inside angle is 61. This is the two parallel lines. These two angles are always equal. And the straight line angle is 180. We studied before the straight line, the measurement of a straight line is 180. Okay, 61. I repeat, how we get 61? Because A angle is 61. It is given in the question. These two lines, the north N lines are parallel. So that's why this will be 61. So one part of this angle is 61, another is 180. What is the total? Yeah, we have to add together. So you will get 241. So this is the way we have to find bearing. It's a very interesting topic. As I started, I inform you now. It's very interesting topic. Okay, the bearing of a point A to the B is 105. The measurement is given here from A to B. So we start with A and touch B, that is 105. What is the bearing from the point B to the point A, B? So you have to make a straight line normal north pole, and the bearing outside, touch a line and okay, like this. So it is one part is 105, another is 180, always like that. The number inside plus 180, the number inside plus 180. So you will get 285. Okay, the bearing of a lighthouse from the ship. From the ship, okay, so you can go to the ship side and make an right angle, clockwise direction go, and this is part is 70, because north the two lines are equal, and another part is 180. We know that it's a straight line 180. Always the angle inside with 180, you will get 270. So 180 plus 70, 250. Okay, so we have some image here. Its angle is given inside. From A to B is 30. The question is from the B to A. B to A, so means you have to make a line outside. It's the 30 and 30, and back side is 180. 30 plus 180, 210. So the bearing from the B to A is 210. So how you got 30 here? Two lines are parallel. Already one angle is given 30, another is also 30. Corresponding angles are equal. Alternative angles are equal. Again one more example, same like that. It is given that 114, what is the outside angle? So outside angle, how we can find? 140 plus 180. Okay, so 114 and 14, because corresponding angles are equal, down 180. When you are adding all together, you will get 294. This is the bearing from the point C to D. I think you got an idea how to find a bearing. So one more examples. Okay, it's a new syllabus for you, so that's why I am taking little more examples. Here, this is the point you have to find from the R. Okay, go to the R. R is your left side. R to the line. Okay, so outside angle is given. You have to find inside. So what do we have to do? If it is inside, you are finding the outside, you have to plus with 180. Ready? Now it is opposite. outside angle is given, you have to find the inside bearing. So that means yes, 242 minus 180, 62. Okay, there is a connection, opposite connections. Okay, now we have to find outside 180 plus the number inside. If you want to find the inside angle, we have to subtract from the number 180. The ship is moving from A to B, the bearing is 120. You have to find how it is coming return from B to A. Okay, so B to A means you have to rotate 180 ahead and opposite direction. You have to make a line like this. You can see here the green outside clockwise direction, that is the bearing, and 120 is inside. So 120 plus 180 is equal to 300. So 300 is the bearing of the ship when it is returned from B to A. Okay, there are some examples. What are the three figures bearing of B from A? Okay, so A to B. Every question it is start from A to B. A to B is 64. So you can write 0, 6, 4. Here it is only 8. So we have to make the 3 digit, no? Okay, so 0, 0, 8. Next one 95, 0, 9, 5. And this is 300, 3 digit already, so no need to write the name. Okay, so we have another example. North, east, south and west direction is already there, and the point is in between north and east. So it is already marked 48. So we have to find the bearing from the point P. You can see the solution. So north to P, it is 48. So it is a direct question. You can write the bearing is 48 but 048. Look at the next question. It is 60 down. It is in between south and west. Okay. So how we can calculate? So you have to make a north pole to the P. So, okay. So you have to go the 3 sections. First section is 90. Second is also 90 and third one is 60. 90 plus 90 plus 60. So you will get 180 plus 60 is equal to 240. Okay, so find the bearing. Okay, so there one question, one figure, there are 2 questions, A and B. From A. Okay, so we have to find the bearing of B from A. From A means go to A and make a clockwise direction. So when you reach the line AB, that is the angle. So 85 is the answer, 085. Next option B, from B. From B means you have to go to the B section and make a clockwise direction. You have to reach the line AB. That means 85 plus 180, 265. We will discuss one more example. You have another shape. From A. From A means go to A and make a clockwise direction and touch the line AB. That is 120. The answer is 120. Okay, then A from B. From B, that is important because that's every time I underline the word and the letter from B. Okay, so take the B and take a clockwise. So it will be 180 plus 120 is 300. Okay, so third one, the bearing same. Okay, so we have to see here. The position of A and B is different. Okay, this is B and A. Okay, the question from see A is B from A. So go to A. A is your right side. Yes, and make a clockwise direction. So you will add 70 plus 180. So you will get 250. Next one, from B. From B it is already 70. So 0, 70, 70. Okay, this is summary. Okay, if you have to go forward bearing, we will say FB, and BB means backward bearing. So forward bearing, if there is no number, you have to subtract with the number by 180. Backward bearing means you have to add the 180. So this is our today's class. So bearing is very interesting. Okay, so it's deal about the direction. Okay, so you will get worksheet from Google Classroom. So please solve it and send it. Thank you for watching this video prepared by Teacher Mini. Have a nice day.